Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this quick tutorial which you can achieve with natural hair or relaxed hair. It's such a quick tutorial you can do within 20 or 15 minutes. But if it's your first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your loved one as much as you can. Directly I started by parting my hair. To make things easy, I start to part front parts so that back it will be easy for me to divide the remaining section. Here I'm going to work with 4 sections. So after front one, I just go ahead and part back section. Then I take a rubber band and I secure. The second section from back, don't make straight, just put a little bit like curve so that the line can show well. And then another one remain will be the fourth one. I find that is the easiest way that I can part my hair, more than to start from back. After this, I spray some water on my hair. I'll be using Eco Gel, but you may use any kind of gel that works perfect on your hair. But for me, I'll be using this. So after I spray some water, I apply some gel just to make things easy. Because I find when I spray some water on my hair before I apply gel, I will be using fewer gel more than to start direct to apply gel on my hair without spraying some water. And then I brush my hair just to make sure everything slick well. Then I secure again with rubber band. And this is how I normally apply gel on my hair. And to avoid to mix this section, every time when I brush, no matter right side to left side, I make sure I put the brush upward so that I can brush side to side well without cover the lines that I make, or without to tag some hair from other section. Then I secure with elastic band. In case you don't have elastic band, you may secure the section with yarn, or you may secure with any other things that works for you. To make things easy, honey, I always like to say we are trying to make things easy and not complicated. Easy things yet cheap as much as we can. So after I finish the last one, I also secure with rubber band. Don't forget, take your time. After you brush with the big brush, go again and brush with small brush. This will make all hair to slick well or to lighten well. So later on when you cover your hair after you remove, everything will be easy. So after I finish secure the section, I twist end of my hair. You may twist or do cornrows, do something very simple. So here I just do twists all sections, and after this I take scarf and I cover my hair for a very short time. I think maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. When I'm waiting my hair to be dry, or if you are rushed, you may take a blow dryer and dry just to make sure the hair is dry well before you take down. And here we are, my hair is dry already. This is how it looks like. So to spice up this style, I'll be using this Afro kink hair. This is how it is inside, and I use only half of this pack. So first of all, I trim the upside, and then back section I'll be using 3 pieces just like this, while other sections I'll be using only 2 sections, because I find if I use 3 sections the hair will be too big. I mean, middle part will be too big, and I don't want that. Because I want short, I make sure I use only 2 pieces. Only back section I use 3 pieces. So before anything, I make sure I stretch this hair with my finger, and later I use brush to brush. make sure this hair is smooth and looks well like my natural hair or like our natural hair. And then I'll be using small threading just like this, and I cover middle of this hair. Why I use this small thread? Because I don't want this yarn to show out, so I find the easy way is use very small yarn. Don't use rubber band, because the rubber band it's very easy to break, and after rubber band break means this hair will unravel. After this, I take scissors and I trim this yarn, and this is how it is. So here I'll be using bobby pin to secure this hair on my head. The first section I'm going to secure back of the last section. You may decide to pin with one bobby pin or two bobby pin depending on how you pin your hair. And after that, I'm going to roll going backward. And after roll, I'll be also using bobby pin to pin this hair from right side and left side to avoid this hair to unravel. Take your time. After you finish pinning your hair, you may use your palm to put the hair well and then jump to another section. So here I repeat exactly the same thing to secure the hair middle with yarn before I attach on my hair. This one I'm going to attach back of the second section. Then I pin it with bobby pin, and then this I'm going to roll going backward so that this second section can cover the last section of my natural hair. I hope this makes sense. And then I pin it well right and left. The third one, I'm going to put the second section front, and then I'm going to roll back. I'm going to roll going back, then I pin it well again. So this, the fourth one, I'm going to put the third section front. So the third section, I only put one bundle of this kink hair. The second one, I put two bundle, one front, one back. The third one, I only put one bundle, which I put only front. And the front section of my natural hair, I put two bundle of Afro kink, which one section I put front and another one I put back. This is to make front section to be covered well, especially my forehead, and make sure I'll be covering my natural hair well. And this, the front one, I'm going to roll going front to cover my forehead. Then I'll be roll going back a little so that I can cover my natural hair. And after I pin right and left side, I also take another bobby pin, which I use to pin in the middle to make sure my natural hair covered well. And guys, this is all about this hairstyle. This is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and share as much as you can. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.